And a lot of these dive coasters, before I tell you, they are super smooth, and especially smooth riding over here with us on opening day. Well, media preview day, but you get the bit. We are really moving up this lift. That is kind of nice. We're definitely not taking our time here, but we're gonna have a nice little turnaround up here, and we're gonna get some really nice views. Off to your right, there's downtown San Diego. We've got Mission Bay right in front of us here. You're looking at me and looking around, and we're about to have a really good view right now. Straight down. I love this. Absolutely love this. Yes! Oh, right into the Immelman. Oh, so smooth. That is some air conditioning right there.